Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to automate Reddit affiliate marketing using a tool called LemonScout. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to make money online, especially if you are interested in affiliate marketing but don't have a big audience or a website. If you want to follow along and try this for yourself, I have placed the link to create your own LemonScout account right in the description below this video. You can click that link to open LemonScout in a new tab while you watch this tutorial. To make sure everyone is on the same page, let me first explain exactly what LemonScout does. In simple words, LemonScout is a tool that automates the process of sending direct messages to Reddit users. If you've ever used Reddit, you know that people post questions and discussions in different communities called subreddits. With LemonScout, you can automatically message people in specific subreddits who might be interested in the product you're promoting. Inside your message, you can include your affiliate link, and every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This is a great method because Reddit is one of the largest websites in the world, with millions of users every day. The problem is, manually messaging people one by one would take forever. That's why tools like LemonScout exist. They do the repetitive work for you. Now, let's start by creating your LemonScout account. If you clicked the link in the description, you should be on the LemonScout homepage now. Right on this page, you'll see a button that says Sign Up or Create Account. Click that button. Now, LemonScout will ask for a few basic details to create your account. First, enter your email address. Make sure you use a real email that you have access to because LemonScout will send a confirmation link to that email. After entering your email, create a password. It's a good idea to use a strong password, something with letters, numbers, and special symbols, because this is a tool that will access your Reddit account later, so you want to keep it secure. Once you've filled in your email and password, click the button to create your account. Now, check your email inbox for a message from LemonScout. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder. When you find the email, open it and click the link inside to confirm your email address. Once that's done, your LemonScout account is officially ready. Now, log into your new account using the email and password you just created. This will bring you to the main LemonScout dashboard. This is your control center where you will create campaigns, connect your Reddit account, and track your earnings. The first thing we need to do is set up your first campaign. A campaign is basically a set of instructions that tells LemonScout what to do, which users to contact, what message to send, and how often to send messages. To create your first campaign, look for the button that says Create Campaign or New Campaign. Click on that. The first thing LemonScout asks you for is a campaign name. This is just for your reference, so you can name it anything that helps you remember what this campaign is about. For example, if you are promoting a weight loss product, you could call it Weight Loss Outreach Campaign or Fitness Messages. The name doesn't matter to your audience. It's just to keep you organized. After naming your campaign, the next step is to connect your Reddit account. This step is very important because LemonScout will actually log into your Reddit account and send messages for you. Without connecting Reddit, the automation can't work. Go to the Actors section and click on Connect Your Reddit Account. This will open a new window where you can log into Reddit. If you're already logged into Reddit in your browser, it might just ask you to approve the connection. If not, just enter your Reddit username and password. Here's a very important tip. Do not use a brand new Reddit account for this. If your Reddit account is only a few hours old and has never posted or commented, Reddit will see your activity as suspicious. Instead, use an account that is at least a few weeks old and ideally has made some normal comments or posts. Accounts with a little bit of history are much less likely to be flagged for spam. Once your Reddit account is connected, it's time to choose the subreddits you want to target. Subreddits are the different topic communities inside Reddit. There's a subreddit for almost everything: fitness, gaming, beauty, tech, business, cooking, you name it. Think about the product you're promoting and where your ideal customer hangs out. If you are promoting skincare products, target subreddits like Our Skincare Addiction. If you are promoting gadgets, look at subreddits like Our Tech or Our Gadgets. LemonScout will let you add multiple subreddits to one campaign, so you can target several at once. To set this up, click into the Listener section. You will see a button to add listener. First, enter the name and a brief description of the product you're promoting. Then, choose your target audience type. After that, enter the exact names of the subreddits you want to target. It's very important to type the subreddit names correctly, with no spelling mistakes and without the r/ at the beginning. For example, if you want to target Our Skincare Addiction, you would simply type Skincare Addiction. LemonScout will let you add multiple subreddits to one campaign, so you can target several at once. Next, you need to write the message LemonScout will send. This is crucial. Your message should sound personal and helpful, not like an advertisement. Reddit users are very sensitive to spam, so you want to come across like a friendly recommendation, not a sales pitch. To set your message, go to the Template section and click on Add Template. First, enter a message title. This title is just for you, so you can easily identify different templates later. After that, write the message you want to send to Reddit users. It's always a good idea to make your message feel personal and helpful, instead of just dropping a link with no context. For example, if you're promoting a skincare product, your message could be something like this. Hey, I saw your post about looking for skincare recommendations. I struggled with acne for years and recently found this product that really helped me. I thought I'd share in case it helps you too. Here's the link. You would replace this product with the actual product name and insert your affiliate link at the end. Your affiliate link is the special tracking link you get when you join an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates or a brand's private affiliate program. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn money. This type of message feels more like friendly advice instead of a sales pitch. You can create multiple message templates if you want. LemonScout will automatically rotate through them, which helps keep your outreach natural and reduces the risk of looking like spam. After you've written your message, LemonScout will ask you to choose how many messages you want to send per day. This step is important because Reddit has strict spam filters, and sending too many messages too quickly can trigger those filters, which could get your account suspended. For newer Reddit accounts, it's best to start small, somewhere around 10 to 20 messages per day. This helps keep your account safe and allows LemonScout to warm up your outreach campaign gradually. As your account gains more age and trust, and your campaigns show that they follow Reddit's rules, you can slowly increase the daily message limit. Once you've set your daily message limit and added your variations, save your campaign, and that's it. LemonScout will now run quietly in the background, sending your messages automatically based on the schedule you created. This way, you can focus on other parts of your business while LemonScout handles your Reddit outreach on autopilot. Once your campaign has been running for a while, you'll want to check your results to see how well your outreach is performing. Here is a real example from someone who used LemonScout to automate their affiliate marketing on Reddit. And after just a few months of running campaigns, they hit their first $1,000 in commissions in a single month. Here's how they did it. They signed up for affiliate programs that offer solid commissions, especially SaaS products with recurring payouts. Then they used LemonScout to search for Reddit users who were already asking questions or talking about problems that these products could solve. Once they found the right audience, they created message templates, just like the ones we set up earlier in this video. LemonScout automatically sent those messages, and some of the people who received them clicked the links, visited the product pages, and ended up making a purchase. The best part is, once everything was set up, the whole process ran almost automatically. After covering the cost of the tool, they still made around $850 in profit, all from a side hustle they barely had to touch after the first few weeks. With LemonScout, you don't have to guess whether your outreach is working. You get clear, trackable proof right inside the dashboard. This is what makes LemonScout not only a powerful outreach tool, but also a data-driven marketing assistant that helps you continuously optimize your results. That's real money earned directly from automated Reddit messages, all while you go about your day. The key to success is choosing the right product, writing messages that sound genuine and helpful, not spammy, and carefully selecting subreddits where people are actively interested in what you're promoting. If you want to try this for yourself and follow the same process step by step, I've placed the official LemonScout sign-up link down in the description. Just click that link, create your account, and you can start setting up your first campaign today.